As you're moving through your online course, one of the most important features built into the class that's going to help you be successful is your PACE chart. It's important that you know where to locate your PACE chart and how to interpret it to help you stay on pace. It's imperative that you're submitting the minimum amount of work as outlined by your PACE chart each specific week. On your instructor's main page, you will probably see a button or a tab that provides you with pacing information for that particular course. Be sure to read through that material, as it's extremely helpful information your instructor feels you need to be aware of. To actually locate the PACE chart for your course, we're going to go to the black navigation tool at the top of your screen. We're going to go to the main menu. We're going to go under course information, and we're going to choose the option that says PACE. For most students, it's the fourth option down. In this particular screen, we're going to receive a lot of information about the importance of a pacing chart and how it can help you navigate through the course. Think of your PACE chart as a roadmap. For most students, the recommendation is that you complete the entire course within 32 to 36 weeks. What this means is you're going to complete semester 1 during the physical first semester of the school year, semester 2 beginning in January during the second semester of the school year. If you're beginning at a different time rather than the beginning of the physical semester, you're going to begin at week 1 and continue moving through the course until it's completed. If you are an honors student, make sure that you select the honors PACE chart for that particular course. In all classes, if you are seeking honors credit, there are additional assignments that need to be completed, so you may need to work at a little more quickly than if you were seeking traditional credit. When you click the PACE chart, it's going to provide you with a template and a roadmap that shows you specifically in the class how many assignments should be submitted each week. Note there are weeks where there are 4 assignments in this particular course, weeks where there are 2 assignments. If there are fewer assignments outlined for a particular week, it's because the assignment that is designated there is a little time consuming and should require extra work. If you're able to move through a week's worth of work pretty quickly and you are achieving grades that are satisfactory, you're welcome and encouraged to even work ahead. Please note that in order to stay in the course, you must submit work weekly, and you need to maintain current standing on the PACE chart, which means during each week you should submit at least the minimum amount of work that's outlined on that PACE chart. This is especially important during the grace period of your course, which is the first 21 days. The first 21 days ends approximately at the end of week 3. So in order to stay on your course at the end of the PACE chart, at the end of your grace period, all the work that is due in weeks 1, 2, and 3 must be submitted. Notice this PACE chart outlines work for segment 1. If we scroll down, we'll be able to locate the information for segment 2 as well. Again, if you are seeking honors credit, be sure that you look at the honors pacing guide rather than the traditional PACE chart to ensure you're submitting the amount of work that is due specifically for you. If you have any questions or concerns about the PACE chart, how to locate it, or how to interpret it, please be sure to contact your instructor with any questions or concerns you may have.